in this video, I will provide the details of the topics which have been removed by the CBSE from this current session, that is 2021, for plus 1 and plus 2 biology. So it means overall 30% syllabus has been removed for this session. So let's talk about plus 1 class. In the unit 1, there are 4 chapters. In the first 2 chapters, there is no change. In the third chapter, some of the topics you can see have been removed by the CBSE from this session, that is angiosperm, classification up to class, characteristic features and examples have been removed from this session course. Okay, fourth chapter, that is animal kingdom, there is no change. Let's move to next unit, unit 2. So in this unit, the chapter 5th, that is morphology of flowering plants, these topics have been removed from the syllabus, that is morphology and modifications of different parts of flowering plants, root, stem, leaf, fruit and seed, and one of the family Fabaceae has been removed from the syllabus. And this anatomy of flowering plant, chapter 6, this entire chapter has been removed from the syllabus for this session. 7th chapter, structural organization in animals. The only topic you have to do in this session, that is animal tissues. Rest of the topics, like these ones, rest of these topics have been removed from the syllabus. Let's move to third unit. So you can see here, in the third unit, there is no changes in this unit. All the chapter, everything will remain same here. And in the fourth unit, that is plant physiology, the chapter 11, transport in plants, and chapter mineral nutrition. These 2 chapters have been removed from the syllabus. But the next chapter, photosynthesis in higher plants, there is no change. The 14th chapter, respiration in plants, there is no change. 15th chapter, plant growth and development. The only topics you have to do in this session, that is growth regulator, auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, ethylene and abscisic acid. These topics have been removed from the syllabus. You can take the screenshot of these syllabus or these slides, or either you can download it from the link given below in the description box. Let's move to the next unit, that is last, human physiology. One of your favorite chapter, digestion and absorption, has been removed from this course. Okay, the next chapter, 17th, breathing and exchange of gases, body fluids and circulation, excretory products and their elimination. These chapters will remain as such in this session. The next 20th chapter, locomotion and movement. The only topics you have to do is this much, and this has been removed. And neural control and coordination, the last chapter of this unit and your course of plus 1 biology. These topics you don't have to touch them. These topics has been removed from the syllabus. So it means this chapter 6, chapter 11, 12 and chapter 16. These 4 chapters have been removed from the syllabus. One of the important thing, that is this summary. This is something important that you should know about these units, the weightage. Here you can see the comparison between the old weightage and the revised weightage. So you can see the diversity of living organism. This unit's weightage has been increased by 3 marks. In the second unit, weightage decreased by 4 marks. In the third unit, there is no change, but still the weightage has increased by 3 marks. Plant physiology, 2 chapters have been removed and the weightage decreased by 2 marks. Human physiology, weightage will remain same in this chapter. So this was all about the plus 1 class. You must take the screenshot of this weightage. This is the thing you should know about your exam syllabus. Talk about the 12th class syllabus, that is. So in the first unit of reproduction, the first chapter, reproduction in organism, has the entire chapter has been removed from the syllabus. In the second chapter, there is no change. In the third chapter, fourth chapter, there is no change, will remain as such. So the next unit, genetics and evolution. The 5th chapter, principles of inheritance and variation, heredity and variation. So this chapter will remain as chapter, molecular basis of inheritance. There is no change. And but this thing is something important. The chapter 7th, that is evolution, entire chapter has been removed from the syllabus. So next move to the next unit, biology and the human welfare. The chapter 8, human health and diseases, will remain as such. You have to learn all the diseases and their pathogens, causal organisms, symptoms and all. And but the 9th chapter, strategies for enhancement in food production, this entire chapter has been removed from this current session. And the next, microbes in human welfare. There is no change in this chapter. So next unit is biotechnology and its applications. So this unit basically have two chapters, that is biotechnology principles and processes, biotechnology and its application. There is no change. Next unit is ecology and environment, that is the last unit of this 12th biology. So the 13th chapter, organism and population, there is no change. Next chapter, ecosystem. This chapter entirely reduced from the syllabus. Next chapter, biodiversity and its conservation, no change. Last chapter, the environmental issues, the last chapter of this 12th biology. This chapter also has been removed from the syllabus. So these 5 chapters have been removed from the syllabus for this 2021 session. Next, move to the summary part. So here is the comparison between the old weightage and the revised weightage. So as you can see in the first unit, one chapter has been removed but the weightage is still same. So means these 14 marks divided into the 3 chapters. The next, genetics and evolution. In this unit also, one chapter has been removed but the weightage is still same, 18 marks. And biology and human welfare, one chapter has been removed from this unit but the weightage is also same, 14 and 14 marks. But here some changes. Biotechnology and its application, there is no change in this unit but its weightage is increased by 2 marks. So in the last, ecology and environment unit, 2 chapters have been removed and its weightage also has been decreased by 2 marks. Overall we know 70 marks. So this was all about the weightage comparison for the 12th